Hi everybody, it's 10:13 and 37 seconds on Friday, April 27th. This is the drawing for the mini for Batman 200 graded 9.2 and the Detective I put 200, brain fart. It's Detective 400, the raw copy. Okay, now the way this mini is going to take place is there are 4 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in first place in the mini will get the first 3 available spots, which are spots 4, 5, and 6, automatically assigned to you. Whoever comes in second place in the mini will get the final spot, which is spot 11, assigned to you. Okay? And then I'm going to run the main immediately. So here we go. The number is 8. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here's the final one, 8. Will Lehman gets the first 3 spots, and Greg Armstrong gets the final spot. Time is 10:14 and 47 seconds.